Hey, I'm Rachel and Ngom from She's Making an Impact.com. And today I want to talk about the first step that you need to do to attract your ideal client. And so the first thing that I do within the Impact Blogging Academy, the online course that I have, is I have people actually figure out who their ideal client is. That's very important. And then the next step after that is market research. And so this is what a lot of people skip. They just like, I don't need to do that. You need to do market research. And this is exactly what I did when I was first building this business. Is I didn't have this audience of people following me for entrepreneur anything. They were following me for fitness advice. So I was starting from zero. But what I did was I did a post on Facebook. Who of my friends has an online business? Comment below with your business link so I can follow you. We can support each other. And so I had like maybe 20 people comment on there, which was like, okay, I knew I had more than that, but 20 people commented. So I just reached out to those people and asked them if I could pick their brain and do like a 15-minute interview. And by doing that interview, I was able to figure out what they struggled with as an entrepreneur, what they needed help with, where they felt stuck, and what I could do to create something for them that would really help them get unstuck and build a crazy successful business. And what I found out was Pinterest is what they needed. And I was able to actually talk to those people and say, you're not using, share with them what my results were. So one of my questions was, what social media platforms are you using? And most of them are saying Facebook and Instagram, the usual. And I'd say, you're not using Pinterest? And they would just kind of look at me like, no, why would I be using Pinterest? And then I was able to share my results and their jaws dropped and they go, tell me more. And so from that, I was able to get a few people signed up in my beta launch of Pin with Purpose. And I even signed a few private clients and did some private strategy calls with them. So I do have a whole blog post on market research and how you can really dive in deeper. This is like foundational stuff that you need to do first. And it's really going to help you just get to know your ideal person, maybe get a few of your first clients from it. So just search Rachel and Ngom and then market research and you'll find the post. I hope you found that helpful and I'll see you in the next video.